Well, here we go, folks. Back with the Challenger one. Wow, what an effort. This is a lot of hours put into this. Next section you're going to see, and just up with the time lapse, otherwise we'll be still watching it by the time it hit the show. It wasn't a bit that did not have a bit of flash on it, not one piece of that, as you can see. Don't forget, guys, the Mackay Modelers comp there, up 30th of April and 1st of May up in Mackay, so go visit everybody up there. It's fantastic. Hey, why not? Like and subscribe, guys. Really appreciate it. Hey, thanks for tuning in to Aussie Modelers Live. We're going to do that every Sunday night, so please make sure you leave lots of comments. And also, hey, again, thanks to Monique for supporting the channel from ICKYSTICKY.com.au. You'll see towards the end of the video, Braden, yep, the paints, they just went on so magical, but yeah, I was desperate for Icky Sticky glue, the debonder, yeah, everything I used, everything Icky Sticky, because I needed it. Hey, and don't forget, hit Andrew up at fullballresinmodels.com or fullballmodels.com, and he's got the BC Commodore limited edition. The Holden effigy, folks, you heard it, is coming out. The Holden effigy is coming out in a kit form, so yeah. Anyway, back to this. Yeah, and talk about fitting. It didn't, not one piece fit. So it was out by about 3 mil either end, and this was just the start of the problems with this build, this section of the build. So both the drive shafts linked up, they weren't straight, you couldn't make them straight, and then lining them up the frame where the hub sat inside the rails, and to where that transmission panel sat on either end was out 3 mil. So you'll see there's a bit of sandpaper here, a bit long further on you'll see where I have to drag out the old sandpaper just to adapt, overcome, use the debonder, and yeah, well, you're here thinking at this moment in time, yep, everything's ready to go, you beauty, I'll get this sorted. Yeah. The aluminium there, absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, got distracted here, hello phone call, in the spray booth we go. And by the way, folks, today from Rory's RC Hobby House, I did change the filters, and believe it or not, the fumes now go out instead of creating a nice fog in the room. Yep, everything here to the side, it'll all work. Yep, looks good there. I'll line it all up so I know where it all goes. Now that's drilling out where the pumps go and the hubs, cleaning everything up with my little $10 must be worth a million engraver. Wow, that thing has saved me through this build. Yep. Oh, a bit further on, folks. I'm not sure if I caught it in this, all of it. Oh, I probably forgot to press record, yeah. Actually had to sand down both sides of the rocker covers and the headers because they wouldn't fit side by side. I mean, they were out 2 mil each inside that frame. They just would not. I'm thinking, oh beauty, everything's lined up here, magic. Yep, at this point, yeah, that's right. So at this point, oh yep, square peg into a square hole. No, everything's beautiful. Yep. Thinking, oh yeah, how good is this? Put that over there, line it up. Everything is in order. Yep, all parts accounted for. Let's rock and roll. Yep. That's what I did. Fully completed that section. You beauty. Thank you, Monique, for the Icky Sticky tweeter pack. Yeah. Make sure it goes the right way, you idiot. Stand upside down, and here we are. Just actually had to clean out the valleys. We're there by about 1.5 mil each on both ends. I'd say I started using the thin, but at this section I went to the medium, and thank goodness I did. I found it easy to control. I mean, I've used it before. And I thought, well, at this point, I'm doing okay. Everything's lined up, everything's sitting there. Yep. And if you follow the assembly instructions, there's no way this thing's going together. I don't care how good you are. If you follow these assembly instructions of this 1962 original Revell kit, it ain't going together. Now I was frustrated at this point, but I was very happy. I was going, you beauty. It's all together. Well, that section is anyway. Those other little parts, just wait folks, there's more. So again folks, don't forget, hit Aussie Modelers live on Sunday night 6 PM on my channel, and also Oz Scale Modelling, Mr. Peter Holroyd and Simon Everton on Hibbo's model bench. Oh, there's my son, turned up, love his shorts, yeah. Got to be happy with that. Yeah, saved my life and the model as well. Sorry, it's not in the shot, folks, but it was, yeah, it was just a pain. I'll adjust the camera for the next slide, eh? And I'll try and get a bit more in. I suppose if I'd sat down on the bench, but it was just, yeah, everything out. Yeah. And now they have to click into the sides of the rails. And hey, again, thanks guys. Like and subscribe. Much appreciated. And don't forget, see Wayne up there at BB's Hobbies, one of the organisers and great sponsors of the Mackay Scale Modelers Model Comp 2022, 30th of April, 1st of May. Very lucky, because the way things are going with this kit, this build, the only thing that would have been on display would have been the box. Thanks Braden, Outlaw Paints. Go visit him, outlawpaints.com.au, Monique from ICKYSTICKY.com.au, and of course the one and only Mr. Andrew Fulton from poolboard.com. Yeah, lining up the engine mounts down the bottom, up the top, underneath. Bars that were supposed to go in, out, sideways, wow. What a nightmare. Bit of touch-up work to do, but I don't think it's going to be seen. But yeah, thanks anyway, guys. Like, please leave a comment, subscribe. Yep, a little bit more touch-up. Throw some touch-up paint on that. Out with the engraver, yeah. A debonder, hardener, you name it, or activator. Oh, so happy at this point. Boom, there she is. Anyway, guys, as I say, it's all good, and catch you later.